Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Brickset tires in Jailbreak. Spawn near the industrial zone, mark the car spawns on your map, then patiently wait for vehicles to appear. Steal a car, tow it to the garage, and break down the tires to collect Brickset drops. Use a team to speed up cycles and avoid police patrols while you farm efficiently and safely. Keep an eye on server messages for rare spawns and trade duplicates with friends. Finding the right spawn points is the first step to reliably getting Brickset tires. Check high-traffic areas like docks, garages, and industrial lots during peak server times, and use the in-game map pins to note locations. Join a group to share spawn intel and rotate shifts to cover more ground. Keep distance to reset spawns if needed, and always watch for rival players who may camp hotspots. Bring backup to extract tires faster. Stealing the vehicle safely helps you keep the Brickset tires. Use silencers, avoid wanted levels, and time your approach when guards patrol away. Drive quickly to a safe garage or teammate workshop, and use the proper tools to remove tires without destroying them. If tires drop in water or hard-to-reach places, coordinate a recovery team with boats or Parker experts to retrieve them without losing the loot. Sell extras or trade for upgrades with trusted players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.